What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is actually Christmas Day, it's the 25th of December, but I will be posting this late. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great holiday, and I have been a very lucky girl and I opened this morning and I'm so excited to have the Nintendo Switch 2. I currently have the OLED, which I love, but obviously going forward the games will be on the Nintendo Switch 2, so it was something that I was going to have to get eventually anyway, and I also got Mario Kart with it, so I'm so excited. I actually worked at the Nintendo Switch 2 event, so I've already seen the Nintendo Switch 2, but I haven't had it in like handheld mode. So, oh my god, it's huge. It is huge. Oh my god. So we got the Joy-Cons. I forgot it's magnetic, isn't it? I really love the white of the OLED, but I won't lie, this looks so sleek. To be honest, I'm going to put a case on it anyway. I've ordered a cover and screen protector and a carry case. So I'll show you guys when that arrives and we can do like a little setup switch with me, decorating Switch. Fingerprints are ready, but I'm so excited, honestly. So excited. Skip it. Let me set it up quickly. Alright, connecting to the internet while this is doing its thing. Let's see what else we got in here. HDMI cable and the attachments. And then charging block. Wow, that's hefty. Controller, charging cable, and the dock, and the lovely dock. It looks so sleek, I cannot lie, it looks really sleek. I really like it actually. I'm excited to decorate it. Right, London darling. Oh, it wants me to do it. So you just press this button here and gently pull, because it's magnetic now. Later. Skip. Okay, let it do its thing. While it's doing that, I want to compare the size to my OLED. Sorry, this is such a rush because everyone's downstairs, but I was like, let me do it quickly before the sun sets. And then this is my OLED. It looks so small next to it, even though the OLED is really big. Do it like that. I also got some Switch games. So I got Snoopy, The Great Mystery Club, which I'm really excited for. I got Rhyme, WarioWare Get It Together. I tried the demo very briefly. My first ever game on the DS was WarioWare Touch, so I really love the WarioWare games. Hello Kitty Island Adventure, so excited for this. I played it a little bit on my iPad, but not properly, so I can't wait to play that. And Cat Quest. I've never seen gameplay for this, so I'm excited. But I recently just got back into Animal Crossing, so I got the DLC, so I've been playing that on my OLED. Let me take off the cover so we can see what it looks like. And yeah, I'm really excited for my new case to come, for my new Switch. I assume I can attach these again, right? Up, up. Alrighty, look at the size difference. Wow. That's crazy actually. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it there because I actually have to do my transfer. So I will get back to you guys. But yeah, this is it compared to my OLED. It is so much bigger. And then I've got the charging port down there. And that's what the back looks like. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I'm so excited. Oh! Alright guys, so it's been about a week now since unboxing this beauty, my new best friend. And I've put a screen protector on, as you can see. This is the one I used. And it seems really nice so far. First thing is first, I was showing you guys how it looked next to the OLED. And oh my god, the OLED looks so small in comparison. No, stop. Let me get my light actually. Let me get my light. Because it's just... Look how small that looks. It's so cute. No, stop. It's actually crazy. So I've got the Switch Lite. This is the Pokemon one. I've got the OLED. And then I've got the Switch 2. So these are all the Switches together. And it's really funny because obviously when I got the OLED, I was like, wow, this is huge. And now comparing my OLED, when I pick up my OLED now, it feels so small in comparison. I love the new Joy-Cons so much. The fact that they're magnetic and not this sliding stuff, like this always felt a bit loose. These don't feel loose at all, like they don't. So on the back here, it's got these buttons. You literally press it and they come off and then they attach with a magnet. It just feels so much better. I can't even explain to you. So I thought I would show you guys, now that it's actually set up, what it looks like, because that day I just didn't have time to set up properly. So let's go into my profile. I've been playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure. Love that game, love it. I played it on my iPad briefly, but I didn't really enjoy the controls as much as obviously, like for me a Switch is perfect for cozy gaming, you know, Animal Crossing, Stardew Valley, Hello Kitty Island Adventure, like that is the vibe for me. So yeah, I really wanted to play it on here. So I actually got it for Christmas, which was perfect. So yeah, I've been banging that out. I've also been playing Animal Crossing, New Horizons, obsessed again. All these years later, still obsessed. Those are not my hours. My hours don't update anymore. When I got the OLED from the Lite, something must have buggered up. So my hours don't update, but it's fine. And then I've been playing a bit of Pokemon Stadium on the Nintendo 64. And then Mario Kart World, which is the new Mario Kart, which is crazy. It's such a crazy game. It's just pure madness. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just everyone has items. It's just crazy. And then these are some of the other games I have. I'm really obsessed with the Switch 2. I didn't think I would be, because to be completely honest, I loved my Switch Lite. I was really obsessed with my Switch Lite. I played it so much. Like COVID hit, I was playing Animal Crossing, I was playing Pokemon Sword and Shield. I was playing a lot on this. And then I sort of fell off. There was no games I was really interested in. I don't play like Zelda games. So when I got the OLED, as much as I loved the OLED so much, I wasn't really using it much. So it deserved more from me, I can't lie. And then obviously the Switch 2 was coming out and I wasn't really interested, to be honest. So I thought I'll get it in March because I wanted to play Pokemon Pokopia, which I really hope I enjoy. And then I got it for Christmas. So I'm so happy. And to be honest, I've been playing it as every second I can play it, I'm playing it, you know? Animal Crossing, Hello Kitty, I'm just going between these two constantly. And I will say, now I've had it for a week and I've been using it every day. The battery life is not the best. However, what I usually do is play it for a few hours. When it dies, I just put it on charge for a couple hours, get back to the real world, and then when it's fully charged, jump back on. Or I'll just dock it, play it on the TV for a bit, let it charge, go back on it. I need to touch grass, basically. But yeah, the OLED apparently has better battery, but it doesn't matter because I still need a Switch 2. So we'll be keeping the Switch family together. So my final review is I'm obsessed with this thing. It's my new best friend and I genuinely like it so much more than I ever thought I would. So yeah, new bestie, and there's so many games that I'm going to be playing. I haven't picked up my Kindle in 2 weeks, so yeah, that's a tragedy actually. It's quite tragic, but you know what? We're bonding and I love her. So yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Let me know if you've got Switch 2, any games you recommend, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.